You got the arrest for this? I'm spitting at I got a heart monitor on me. I know the film. Get the camera. Get the camera.
Dispute over a cheeseburger at a public airport. A woman detained for being too loud. But beneath the surface, a First Amendment question, a potential felony charge, and a use of force analysis that determines whether every officer action was legally defensible. What actually happened here under the law?
Ma'am,
I want
can I just talk to you for a second?
Yes, you can. Wait a minute. Hold on. Wait a minute.
You good?
Hold on, I got the food. I got the food.
Yeah.
She got my money. I don't give a fuck about that.
I'll go that way. Ma'am, is that your daughter?
Wait a minute. That's my baby.
All right, she's got,
Woman got
can we
mine.
just talk to you from over here?
Let's
please?
go.
All right. Just talk over here, brother.
Okay.
Or let's go by this one sign. So
Oh, shit, now you can appoint me into another motherfucking thing.
all right.
What's the
Hey, we
problem?
don't gotta swear today.
What's the problem?
Hi there, ma'am. I'm Deputy Blanche with the Sheriff's Office.
Okay.
Sorry to meet just a little later over here. I was talking with somebody.
Okay.
Sounds like you had a little bit to drink today.
Yeah,
And-
I done had a whole lot to
Okay.
drink today.
It sounds like you're being kind of loud.
No, sir. We
And,
just ordered some food.
okay, well, before that.
What do you mean before
Did
that?
you stop at Nona's to get food, or were you here the whole
Yeah,
time?
because we thought it was cheeseburgers down there.
Okay. And there weren't cheeseburgers down
It
there?
wasn't we trying to find cheeseburgers. My
Cheeseburgers.
grandson wants a cheeseburger.
Okay. Okay. Well, that may be, but it sounded like that you were getting.
Yeah.
It sounded like you were getting a little.
No,
mean
because
to
I
the
ain't
staff.
never. No, that's bullshit. Because we want a cheeseburger. My grandson said that shit.
Okay. Well, there was an employee here that saw you when he had a passenger. He saw you being irate and loud and kind of boisterous and cussing out people up and down.
I ain't
there.
cussed on. I ain't talked to nobody.
He's got no
Sir.
reason. He's got no reason. He's got no reason to lie to me about that.
He got all the reason to lie to you because I never said anything.
Okay. Well, how much did you
I
have?
talked to my. It doesn't matter
It
what
does, because I can smell it coming off you.
Okay, so what do you say?
I think you're kind of drunk.
No.
Do you normally drink?
No.
You don't normally drink?
No.
Okay.
What are you saying, sir?
You're being a little bit disorderly. And
How? How?
Because he said that you're cussing
These
up
are
down
my
here.
children. This
Okay.
is my
And
children. What other person complaining about me?
it sounded like you're
What other person complaining? Sir,
the employee here at the.
that's the employee. What about customer?
Okay. Well, we
It's
got a
a
call from our
complaint. Okay,
dispatch said
whatever.
that we got a call saying you're
Okay.
you were in all black, matches your description.
Okay.
Being irate, and there's some people letting us know where you were, proximity to everything. So
Okay.
there's some concerned people. Okay.
Okay.
What time is your flight out today?
I'm going to Vegas.
Okay.
Can you look it up?
Yeah, I was going to ask what time the flight was, and I didn't know when
Sir,
you
I don't know. I got children that's 30 years old that books me a flight. This is bullshit.
Ma'am, what is your first name?
Darnish. Yes.
Is that for the coffee?
Where's my bag?
I don't know. It's somewhere up front. Your purse is somewhere.
Give me
Your
my.
purse is somewhere up front.
Not with my ID.
Oh,
Because we're concerned about that.
that's fine.
You ain't concerned about shit.
Mama, just let them do their job.
No,
If you get-
no customer
Darnish.
complaining about anything. I don't want to hear that. You said employee. My grandson wanted a hamburger.
Okay.
We went from one stand down there because you didn't have one. He sent us down here to another one. Now, what complaint do you have about me? Whatever the I've been drinking.
Okay. Well, that's
Whatever
the thing.
you've been out,
They won't
whatever,
let
whatever.
Darnisha?
My grandson
They won't
ordered
let you
a
board the
hamburger.
plane if you are.
Sir, that has nothing to do with a
Well, if you
hamburger.
can't handle your liquor and you keep
Sir,
continuing
that
to
has nothing to
swear,
do with a hamburger.
it
I
doesn't.
never cussed him. I never cussed him about a hamburger.
Well, I've heard you swear.
They
a few
said
times
we don't
already.
have hamburger here. They
Okay.
said, ma'am, you gotta go further that way.
Well,
So what did I-
And if that's the interaction, he's saying that you cussed out them probably for not having hamburgers.
Why would I cuss them
I
for?
don't know. I think you.
Because that's stupid.
I think you.
That don't
been
even make
drinking.
sense, sir.
Okay. Well, you,
That doesn't even make sense. I would cuss you because you don't have a hamburger.
I don't think that would make sense, but I think
no, it don't make sense.
because I've already heard you cuss here. Okay.
I don't give about what you heard me say. I'm saying, why would I cuss you because you don't have a hamburger?
I'm not sure. I'm not you, man. That's why
Okay.
they're talking to you.
Because they didn't say that to you.
Yes, they did.
No, they didn't.
Yes, they did. I got the
Oh,
employee's
you're a
name.
liar.
So, okay.
I don't give a damn what you just say. They ain't cussed you and said I cussed you because they didn't have a hamburger.
They're saying that you're
Somebody
intoxicated.
That's
shut
gonna
up.
have to be
Nikki,
an
shut up.
She's cooperative.
You're
Is gonna
playing
say
because you're
something.
intoxicated. So be quiet.
Her daughter.
She's trying to help you out. If
I'm
you
trying
could
to
just-
help you
You ain't
out.
gotta help me out. That's
Because I'm
bad.
not gonna let you on the
Sir,
plane.
give me, go to the plane.
We don't
Plane.
have no money
Go
to pay
to the
for your
plane.
ticket.
Go to the plane. Sir, I don't need you. Do what you need to do. No, I don't. No, I don't, sir. Because I ain't cussing nobody. I've been friendly to everybody in this port.
Okay, that's fine.
You ain't gonna tell me I cussed nobody out. Get the fuck up.
Ma'am.
You're just cussing.
Go to your
Mama, we have
plane.
no money to rebook your ticket. They don't
I'm
let
going
you
home.
on.
I'm going home.
Okay. Well, we'll just walk back out to the gate then. We can say, what time is your flight?
Huh, it's at 6 o'clock.
I'm going
That should
home.
be rolled as
And I'm not
I-
gonna kiss your
I'm not
ass.
gonna let her go on the plane like that.
Told
Okay.
me that I didn't got disrupted with you.
So-
I didn't
Mama,
cuss
that's what
up.
he said.
You don't get the fuck out. I don't give a fuck what he's
Me
saying.
and
Ma'am.
we'll stay with you.
That's what he
Get the
said.
fuck out. I don't care
Ma'am,
what
could
he's
you lower
saying.
your voice, please?
I don't give a fuck what he's
Could
saying.
you lower your voice, please, ma'am?
No, sir, because you're wrong with what you're saying.
Well,
Don't come to me with that.
ma'am, you need to come here.
No, I don't need to come here.
Yes, you do.
What you need to do? What you need to do? What you need to do? You gonna follow him with bullshit?
I'm gonna walk you
You
out.
ain't gonna walk me
Yes,
out
I
no
am, ma'am.
fucking
You
way.
wanna walk out in cuffs or not?
What you wanna do?
Okay.
Get my jacket.
Come here.
Get my jacket. Get my jacket, mother. You ain't gotta do all
You're
that.
good. You're good.
You ain't gotta do all that.
Ma'am, I just wanted you to lower your
Mother, fuck you.
Okay.
Cause it's bullshit what you talking
How
about.
much have you had to
And
do
you
today?
don't worry about what
I
I
am
have
worried
here.
about it
I'm
because
going
now
to
you're in
Vegas.
cuffs.
I am. So what? Fuck you. How about that? How about that? Fuck you. Because you ain't talking about shit.
You have her coat?
Let's go.
We're good.
Let's go. Mother, let's go.
Yeah, just go.
Let's go.
Thank you.
Let's go. Let's go.
411, 414.
Come on.
We're gonna be one down.
Motherfucker, I'm 55. You can't keep up. Let's go.
I don't want you. I don't.
No, motherfucker, let's go.
Can you slow down?
You got to arrest me for what?
You're drunk.
For what? Oh, get the fuck out of here. I'm going to Vegas.
You were going to Vegas.
Fuck you. I'm going to Vegas.
Can you
Fuck you. I'm going to Vegas.
not swear, please?
Fuck you. I'm going to Vegas.
Okay.
It may not be today, but motherfucker, I'm going to Vegas. I don't give a fuck what you say. You ain't gotta hold me, because I ain't on no threat to nobody.
That's not why we're holding you.
Motherfucker, I'm 55 years
And I
old.
don't want you to.
I'm
fall.
plus your age and this motherfucker's age with you. I'm no threat to nobody.
I'm not saying you are, man.
Fuck you. Fuck you, you piece of shit. Let's go.
Why are you being mean to me?
What you? Cause you ain't shit. Cause a motherfucker said you didn't have a hamburger. He pointed me away to a hamburger. You gonna cancel my flight? Fuck you.
Well, the complaint was that you were cussing.
Fuck you.
You seem to be cussing.
Cussing for what? Cussing for what? Cause you don't have a hamburger?
I don't know why you're cussing.
Nigga, get the fuck away from me.
There's kids. You do not want to.
You a nigger and get the fuck away from me. What else you gonna do?
I'm not doing anything, man. I'm just
Let's
trying,
go.
trying to walk you down.
Let's go. Let's go.
Can you settle
Hey,
down?
hey. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's do this. Cause motherfucker, I need that badge. I need that badge. I need that badge. That's the lie he told you. And I need your badge. I need your badge. Let's go. Let's go, motherfucker. Fuck you. Wait a minute. Stop.
Ma'am,
No, I need your badge. Fuck you. I need your badge. I got 3 of my kids with me and my grandkids. But I'm too drunk to go to the club. Fuck you. Get your hands off me. I'm no harm to you. Both of you motherfuckers, it's my age. Well, come on, let's go. Let's go.
I don't want you to pull
Let's
away
go.
and you fall.
You.
Don't spit at me.
You. Get your hand out of my face.
Spitting in my face.
Get your hand out of my face. You got me handcuffed, motherfucker. Motherfucker, you got me handcuffed.
Just for the CAD, she spit in my face if you want to just write that.
You're a lie. You're a lie. You're a lie. You're a lie. Tell it.
Okay, you're spitting in my face.
You're a fucking lie, bitch. I'm talking. Bitch, I'm talking. I hope them cameras are off. I hope you motherfuckers support that bitch on Supreme Court.
You're not cussing, are you? I'm looking at you.
Everybody, support that bitch for these motherfuckers right here. Come on, motherfucker.
Elevator left.
I'm 55 years old. I need two motherfuckers to help me. Let's go, motherfucker. Fuck you. I need your money. I need the state of Wisconsin's money. I need the state of Wisconsin.
I don't want you to spit on me.
Here I go. Here I go, motherfucker.
You don't need to do that.
Fuck me. Fuck me. Fuck me, motherfucker. Fuck me. Cause I'm a legit bitch here. Okay. Please. Please. Cause my daughter got a PhD. She gonna run all this shit. Let's go. Let's go. My daughter gonna run all this shit. Fuck you. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. My daughter gonna run all this shit. Let's go.
Ma'am, can you wait?
Open that door. Open that door.
Can you settle down?
Sir, I'm finna get you fired. I'm finna sue your motherfucking ass.
Can you sit down, please?
Fuck you.
Stop spitting in my face.
Get the fuck out of my face.
Sit down, please.
Yeah, get the fuck out of my face.
Sit down.
Sir, I'm 55 years old. I got a heart
Sit down.
monitor.
Stop spitting at me.
I got a heart monitor on me.
He didn't say that. I want you to shut up.
Fuck you.
Relax. Relax.
Fuck you.
It's all right.
Fuck you.
We got a spit shield.
Fuck you.
Somebody spit.
Fuck you.
Okay, relax. I got it.
Fuck you. I never spit on you.
You're spitting at everybody.
He's a lie. Bitch ass. I spit on you.
Can you just settle down?
No.
Yes.
More door is coming.
Okay.
More door.
She was trying to help you the entire time,
You.
okay?
Settle down.
Baby, I got two daughters here.
Okay.
I got two of them.
Can you settle down for me, please? I don't
You.
want to get spit on.
No. I
I
never
already had
spit
on
on
my eye.
you.
Well, yeah, I got spit in my eye.
Why you camera at?
It's right here.
Jerry,
looking at you.
okay. Get the camera. Get the
Take off her
camera.
glasses. Take off her glasses.
Get the camera. Get the camera. Get the camera. Get the camera.
Alright, are you gonna settle down?
Get the camera.
Settle down.
Okay, what is your badge number?
800.
800. What is your... 800 is good enough for me.
Let's go.
800 is good enough for me. That's
I need
good.
to rinse out my
Settle
eyes.
down.
No, fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you now.
I just want to wash my face.
That's it.
Wash it. I gotta wash your face, bitch.
Go ahead. I need all of that. I need all of that. I need all of that. I want to see if I spit on him. I spit on him. Fuck this goddamn here. Fuck him. He said I spit on him. Ask the bitch if I spit on him. Ask the bitch if I spit on him. I don't give a fuck if she is a sheriff. Ask the bitch if I spit on him. I don't give a fuck. My daughter is here. Baby, and she's a lawyer too. She's a lawyer too. You motherfuckers don't run shit. You rude boys don't run a motherfucking thing here. You can kill me. I'm ready to die. I'm ready to die. God damn it, but I'm gonna make justice for the next motherfucker. And I'm gonna catch you in full. My daughter is a lawyer. Come on. Come on with it. Come on with it. Sir, you think I had no problem with you. I had no. That's my baby daughter. You saw.
I got it.
Come on with it, girl. Come on with it, girl. And he better show it that I cussed him out. That I cussed him out about him having a f***ing hamburger. That shit don't even make my sense. I asked the motherfucker where was the hamburger. The motherfucker pointed me down the street. Why would I cuss you out? Motherfucker, quit put your points in me. I'm down. I'm down, motherfucker. I'm down. I'm down. Motherfucker, I'm down.
Can you relax?
Fuck you. Tell them motherfuckers to relax. Tell them motherfuckers to relax. I got it. We gotta bring an end to this system. We gotta bring an end to this system. Here I go. Hurry up. Hurry up. Hurry up. I'm gonna bring an end to this corruptness. Let me go. Okay, I'm here.
Sit down.
Baby, I don't want to run. I'm too old.
Ma'am, I'm too old. Go ahead and take a rest. Take a load off.
Come on. Come on. Come on, my girl. You gotta strap me down. Cause bitch, I got you. Bitch, I got you. You rude boy ass.
Terry v. Ohio, 392 US 1000, 968. Officers require only reasonable articulable suspicion to initiate an investigative stop. A named employee complaint about a specific individual exhibiting specific behavior in a specific locations satisfies this threshold. The initial contact was legally grounded from the first moment. Wisconsin Statute 947.1 subsection 1, disorderly conduct. 3 elements must be proven. First, a public or private place. Second, violent, abusive, indecent, profane, boisterous, or unreasonably loud conduct. Third, circumstances tending to cause or provoke a disturbance. All 3 were met progressively and on camera. Cohen v. California, 403 US 15, 1000, 971, and City of Houston v. Hill, 482 US 451, 1000, 987. Profanity directed at police is constitutionally protected speech. The standard shifts only under Chaplinsky v. New Hampshire, 315 US 568, 1000, 942, when the conduct itself, not merely the words, tends to provoke an immediate breach of peace. Graham v. Connor, 490 US 386, 1000, 989. Force is evaluated by objective reasonableness at the moment of decision, not in hindsight. Soft empty-hand escort, with no strikes and no less lethal deployment, is the appropriate and proportional response when a subject is actively resistant but not violently threatening. Wisconsin Statute 940 Totley, subsection 2. Intentional contact with bodily fluids directed at a law enforcement officer constitutes battery to a law enforcement officer, a Class H felony carrying up to 6 years imprisonment. This is the most critical legal exposure in this encounter, yet the subject was booked only on misdemeanor charges. Wisconsin Statute 946.41. Knowing resistance of an officer performing a lawful duty is a standalone Class A misdemeanor. It attaches independently the moment a lawful detention is established and the subject refuses to comply. It does not require a separate disorderly conduct charge to exist. Lesson learned. Early verbal conduct may have been constitutionally protected. Every subsequent escalation step added criminal exposure. A civil rights claim under 42 USC 1000. 983 requires a proven constitutional violation, which the totality of the documented conduct makes substantially difficult to establish. 3 questions remain open. Was the spitting contact intentional enough to meet the felony threshold under 940.20? If yes, why were only misdemeanor charges filed? And what does the body cam footage actually show at the critical moment? The case disposition has not been confirmed. The analysis is not finished.